Now let us discuss fifth chapter, arithmetic progression. So in lower classes we have learned number pattern or design a pattern like that. So if it is a shape, so changing the angles, you can make different patterns. No? So in smaller classes you have learned that one. If you are changing the angles or placing one over the other one, okay, something like that. Pictures, by using pictures you can make pattern, and by using numbers also we can make pattern. Now when we are making using numbers, so by addition you can make patterns, by multiplication you can make patterns. So here we are going to discuss the pattern by making a pattern, that is arithmetic progression by adding certain numbers. Okay, now look at this one. Some examples I have written here. First one is 1 2 3 4 like etc. Then second one 5 5 5 5 like that. Then third 100 70 40 10 like that. Next one negative 3 negative 2 negative 1 0 etc. Then 10 15 20 25 like that. So when we look at that first one 1 2 3 4, see the number started from 1, then 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So next number will be by the looking at the pattern you can say the next number will be 5, next one will be 6, then 7, then 8, like that it will go. No, so by adding 1 we are getting a pattern like this. Or if you are subtracting 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1. So there is a common difference between the consecutive numbers. So that common difference is there. Okay, same. Then next one when you are looking at, that is 1 5 5 5 like that it is going. 5 again 5 like that it is going. So 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 0 again 5, again plus 0 5 like that it is going. Now what is the common difference between this one? That is 5 minus 5 0, again 5 minus 5 0, again 5 minus 5 0. Now third one, if you look at that one 100 70 40 10 like that it is going. So when which number is added to this one, so that you are getting the second one? Minus 30. No, minus 30 is added to this one. 100 minus 30 70, 70 minus 30 40. So minus 30, negative 30 is added to the first number. Or common difference, you see 70 minus 100 negative 30, 40 minus 70 negative 30, 10 minus 40 negative 30. What will be the next number? Again 10 minus 30 negative 20. So like that it will go. Okay, so here second one you see negative 3 negative 2 negative 1 0 like that it is going. So what is the number common difference? Negative 2 minus negative 3, so that is positive 1. Again negative 1 minus negative 2, positive 1. So when you are adding positive 1 to the series, you are getting the series, you can complete that series also like that. Okay, now next one is fifth one 10 15 20 25 like that. So 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Or 15 minus 10, 5. 20 minus 15, 5. Then 25 minus 20, that is 5. So common difference is 5 here. Okay. So here each term, the 1, 2, 3, first progression, first series, when you take 1, 2, 3, 4, with this 1, 2, 3, 4 are called terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like that it will come. Okay. Here terms are 5, 5, 5, like first term, second term, like that. Okay. Now in that one, everything we are adding some numbers to the preceding to get the succeeding one. We are adding 1 to first one to get 2. Now second one, 0 to first term. Then third one, negative 32 first term. Here positive 1 to first term. Here 5 to first term. So we are adding some numbers. So that numbers can be 0, negative or positive. Okay. That common difference. So that is called, that can be positive, negative or 0. So common difference can be positive, negative or 0. So this common difference we are representing by small d. Okay, small d. Now look at this one. In first one, 1, 2, 3, 4 we took first term. First term is what? First term is 1. So first term we are representing by A1 or term 1. In some books it will be written A1, or some book you can see T1. That is, here in first case it is 1. Okay. So second term, how will you represent? A2 or T2. Okay. Then third term will be A3 or T3. Okay. Or you can represent any of this one, A1, A2, A3, like that, or term 1, T1, T2, T3, like that. Okay. Now how will you get A2? How will you get? A1 plus D. A3, how will you get? A2 plus D. Understood now? So what is D now? A2 minus A1, or D is same as A3 minus A2, or D is same as A10 minus A9. Okay. So the difference between the adjacent numbers, that is called common difference, that we are representing by small d. Okay. Now you have to verify some of the series whether that is arithmetic progression or not. So here arithmetic progression can be finite or it can be infinite also. Okay. Now look at this one. These all are infinite only. No, they are infinity. Now some of them are very finite only. That is, it will stop at certain, after that it will not move. So it can be finite, it can be infinite. Now look at that example 1. For AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, -1 by 2, -3 by 2, write the first term A and the common difference. The example 1, page number 99, it is written there. Example 1, page number 99, 3 by 2, then 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2, negative 3 by 2. This is the series they have given, and you are asked to find out the first term and the common difference. What is the first term? That is 3 by 2. First term you can write A1 or A. They have given their A, so you can write A is equal to 3 by 2. And what is D? Common difference. Common difference, I said you can subtract first term from second term, or second term from third term, like that. So D will be equal to half minus 3 by 2, or that is equal to negative 2 by 2, or equal to negative 1. So D is equal to negative 1. So this is example 1. Okay. Now second example is, see, which of the following list of numbers form an AP? If they form, write the next two terms. So first one is 4, 10, 16, 22, like that. Now look at here. First term is 4. 10 minus 4, 6. 16 minus 10, 6. 22 minus 16, 6. So here common difference is same. No, D is equal to 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. Or D is equal to 16 minus 10, that is equal to 6. Or D is equal to 22 minus 16, that is also 6. So D is same. So you can say this is an AP. Okay. Now what will be next term? 22 plus 6, 28. 28 plus 6, 34. Then if you want, you can write more terms. They have asked only 2 terms more. So if you want 40, 46, like that it will move. So first one is an AP. Second one is, see, negative 1, negative 1, negative 3, negative 5. It is moving like that. So let us check D is equal to negative 1, negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1. So it is negative 2. Now D is equal to negative 3 minus 1. So it will be negative 2. Again D is equal to negative 5 minus 3. That is equal to again negative 2. So here also we are getting D is same. So this is also an AP. Now what will be next term? Negative 5 plus negative 2, negative 7. Then negative 7 plus negative 2, negative 9. Negative 9 plus negative 2, negative 11. It will go on like that. Now third one is, see, negative 2, then 2, again negative 2, 2, negative 2. What is like that? So here when we look at this one, D is equal to 2 minus 2. So it will be 4. 2 plus 2, that is 4 you are getting. Again D will be equal to negative 2 minus negative 2. So it will be negative 4. See, when we are doing second one, first one we got D is equal to 4. Second one we got D is equal to negative 4. Both are not same. so it will not form an AP. Understood? D is not same, so it will not form an AP. Now fourth one, you see, fourth one, 1 1 1 1 1 1, then 2 2 2, then 3 3 3, like that. It is good. See here also 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0, again 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, but when you are taking this one, 2 minus 1, here 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, so then 2 minus 2, 0. So here D is different. One we got 0, another one we got 1. So this is also does not form an AP. Okay, now look at that exercise 5.1. We'll do that exercise 5.1. Now exercise 5.5. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? First one, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for each additional kilometers. So it will form an AP. Why? Because see, first one 15 is fixed. Okay, next one 15 plus 8 it will come. Next one 15 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, then 15 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So what will be the common difference? 8 only. Now first one 15, second kilometer 15 plus 8, that is equal to 23. Then 23 plus 8, that is equal to 31. Then plus 8, it will be 39. So difference is 23 minus 15, 8. 31 minus 23, 8. 39 minus 31, 8. So it will form an AP. Okay, so hope you understood. First one 15 is fixed. Next, for 1 kilometer only you have to pay 15. Second kilometer 15 plus 8, that is 23 rupees you have to move if you are traveling 2 kilometers. If you are traveling 3 kilometers, that 15 plus 8 plus 8, that is equal to 31 rupees you have to pay. So it will form an AP. Now second one, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So one time they are removing 1/4. That means if the tank is full, first one will be there. Then 3/4 it will come. Now 3/4 so it will come like this. Volume we know that V is equal to, second time it will come 3/4. Then next one it will come 3/4 square, then into V. Okay, so it will not form an AP. No, difference will be more than the first one. So in second case it will not form an AP. Now third one is the cost of digging a well. This one is no, first one yes. Okay, now third one is cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 for the first meter and rises 50 rupees for each subsequent meters. So here also it is like the first one. First meter you have to pay only 150. Second meter 150 plus 50. Third one 150 plus 50 plus 50. So Now look at the difference, 150, then 200, 250, the next one will be 300. So difference is same. So third one form an AP. So yes to third one. Now fourth one, amount of money in the account every year when 1000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8 percentage per annum. We have already learned compound interest in 8th standard, no? So what is the formula to find out the amount? Okay, amount will be equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. So first one here 10,000 rupees, when we deposit 10,000 it will come, then 10,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 raised to 1, then second time it will come 10,000 1 plus 8 by 100 raised to 2. Now look at this one, there is much difference. Okay, if you are calculating this one, D will not be same everywhere. So this one is also, fourth one is not an AP. Now second one is a second question. Write the first 4 terms of an AP when first term is A and common difference D are given. So second question, A is given, first one 10, D is given 10. So 4 terms you have to write. First one A itself it will come. Second one A plus D. Third one A plus 2D. Then next one A plus 3D. Remember that one. So A plus 4D. You can write like that. See, D 1 time, D 2 time. So like that. A is equal to 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. So it will go on like that. Okay, 10 A second term will be 10 plus D, A plus D, that is 20. Then 10 plus 2D, 2 into 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, or you can add 10 to this one, continue like that. So first, that was the first one. Second one, A is equal to -2, D is equal to 0. So here D is 0, so A will be repeating. So what will be the series? -2, again -2, again -2, -2, like that it will come. Okay, then third one is, see, A is 4 and D is negative. A is equal to 4, D is equal to -3. So A 4, then 4 minus 3, 1, 1 minus 3, -2, -2 minus 3, -5. So it will go on like that. I think you can complete that one. Simple one only. Keep on adding the D to the first term, second term, like that. Okay. Now third one is, here for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So first one, 3 1 -1 3, 3 1 -1 -3. So how will you find out first term? What is the first term? 3. A is 3. D is what? 1 minus 3, that is -2. Okay, 1 minus second term minus first term, or third term minus second term. So here 1 minus 3 you take, -2. Second question, negative 5, negative 1, 3, 7. What will be A there? Negative 5. First term is negative 5. And what will be D there? Negative 1, negative 5. So it will be negative 1 plus 5, that is equal to positive 4. Okay. So D is 4 there. So third term, third question, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, then 13 by 3. So what is A there? A is equal to 1 by 3. D is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So difference is 4 by 3. Okay. So again fourth one also you can do 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. So it will be 1.7 minus 0.6. Okay. So it will be 1.1. D is equal to 1.1 there. Okay. So you can complete that up to 3. Then fourth one is which of the following are AP. So we have already discussed that is from example. If you want, if you can complete that 4. Otherwise we will discuss in next video.